see smoke coming off it.
Yeah. You are right. Oh, here it comes! Finally!
Yeah.
We did not wait in vain. Awesome. Awesome. Heading over to the ore dock in Marquette. We are on Buffalo Road. We have been waiting about an hour and a half. Tripod one here. Wow, look at these. Look at these babies. That is so awesome. That's a little one. So we saw the greens and the blues today. Saw them all. Look at that, I can't even hear him now.
It's amazing.
And he's already somewhere where he's crossing. You could hear the horn.
That ship was probably waiting for this load.
Let's hurry up and get there. No. This is good. This was a primo day. Okay, thanks to my husband driving me around. All right, this is Nancy and Jim on Buffalo Road. We just saw the LS&I go by, and we are headed towards home. Thanks for watching. Good morning. It is just a little bit after 10. We are in Herman, and the train will soon be coming into sight. I am on the Dault Creek. I want to get a picture of the train going across the bridge here because the banks are overflowing and it's kind of pretty. But I just thought I'd get this angle of a train too. We saw them tied down on the Green Road last night on the way home from Marquette, where we had an awesome day. I haven't uploaded any video yet, but we were at the ore dock. We got a lot of different trains. Excuse me. Soon be crossing Herman Astoria Road. That's where I park a lot, and I was going to today, but the sun is just not in the right position. Going across in front of oh, here comes some log cars. They're going in front of the boarding house, which is in terrible condition. And so right now we're going past the old mill site, and here we are at Dault Creek. Isn't that pretty? It's just too good to pass up. I'm gonna take a walk over it a little bit later. Usually get it coming up the hill, not going down. Like I said, we caught them on the Green Road, parked, tied down last night, and we had been in Marquette at the ore dock watching the Blues bring in a lot of hoppers and the ship there, the Honorable, what's his name, Oberly. Why am I not good with names? Anyhow, so we got to watch that for several hours. Then we went to, we waited quite a while for them to unload into the hull of the ship, but they didn't do it, so I said, let's run over to Buffalo Road and try to catch them leaving the Tilden mine. So there's a lot of places you could get it there, but I always wanted to get it on the Buffalo Road, and I did. So I'll be posting that later, maybe even with this one. Anyhow, it was a really good day. We'll be back in Marquette next week and the week after, so I'll be getting more ships and everything. So it's good. It's really good. The banks are overflowing on all the streams and rivers. The snow is melting. In the woods, you still have a lot of snow, but it's melting fast. It's just an exciting time of year. So I'll go down and meet them at the bottom, watch them cross 41, see if my little marsh is opened up yet. Boy, they're really going slow, aren't they? What a beautiful, beautiful day. Well, thanks for joining me today. Thanks to all my new and old subscribers. I really plan on a lot of good stuff coming up now. Got as much of the winter as I could get. It's weird. Just 7 days ago, it was like a blizzard up here. And here we are today. It's going to be 85. It was 85 yesterday. Oh, too hot. Anyhow, thanks for joining me, and I will catch you at the bottom of the hill here. Now, don't be late. Thanks. I'll see you trackside.